How would you like to have the ability to anticipate monster moves in the market before they happen? Stick around because in this video I'm going to show you how trading pure price action not only helped me, but also my members get into some monster trades recently, one of which was the USDCAD that we're going to check out. I hope you'll watch this video to the end because I want you to see how trading price action can help you become a better trader as well. Let's get into it. What is up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Welcome to Price Action Nation, where we help you go from indicator overload and analysis paralysis to finally trading with clarity and confidence. Here we focus on helping traders become independently profitable by focusing on pure price action. So if you're new, please support the channel and consider subscribing. Like I said, in this video we're going to dive into the USDCAD, which was a trade that I forecasted my members in advance all the way back in December. So what I want to do is pull back the curtain a bit. We're going to actually dive into our members area and we're going to do a search for USDCAD. There we go. Pull that up. So here's this post back on December 23rd of last year where I said, actually let's just click on it real quick. USDCAD weekly, dare I say it, this could potentially be the trade of the year for 2019. That right there alone will be worth the price of admission. Here's the screenshot. This is the trade setup I was posting, and just to not spend too much time on this, but what I was seeing was back at the end of 2015 we had this big rally up in USDCAD due to the big implosion in oil. Shortly thereafter there was the massive, very sharp, very aggressive move down. Long-term correction, another very sharp, quick, aggressive move down, big long correction that lasted many months, and then due now to the structure that price was forming, anticipating the next wave. Okay, very similar to what had happened back at the end of 2015, beginning of 2016, and then the end of the latter end of 2017 as well. Okay, so here we are again, coming up on this. At the time of the screenshot, price was at 35.76. all right, and not long after that, myself as well as some of our members were getting at this just north of $1.36 just before the big drop. So let me show you the actual result of what ended up happening. Alright, so this is my actual trading account, guys, and as you can see, back, like I said, north of $1.36, getting in at the top of this move, riding it down all the way down to here, partially banking some profits. As you can see, about 370 pips were banked. This trade is currently up 430, just a little over 430 pips and holding. And then this week we did a members webinar on Monday where I actually was telling my members that there was setting up another great opportunity to either add to your short position on USDCAD, or if you hadn't got in yet, to look to get into some of this position, because if this wave does what I'm hoping it will do, and what it certainly has the potential to do, make this wave break these prior lows, we're looking at a couple thousands of pips of potential movement here, which is going to be very worthwhile, which is also going to be, this is just simply a drop in the bucket compared to what's on the horizon. So there's still plenty of good opportunity here. It's definitely worth the risk and worth getting in as this got in. So what I now want to do is actually go back to our members area. We're going to do another search for the USDCAD. We're going to go back because what I want to show you now is a screenshot that I posted. Let's see, here we go, January 24th. All right, today's the 25th. It's Friday. The markets are closed. This was Thursday night. And here we go, USDCAD 4-hour, on the lookout for shorts. One worth keeping, one worthy of keeping on the radar. So looking at this screenshot, you can see we're sitting right at about $1.3320, and just posting another reminder to my members that, hey, this could continue to go down, sharp move, or we could have another move up before the next move down. Either way, this drop is coming. We know it's coming just due to the way the price action is communicating to us, and we're looking for opportunities to get in. In fact, why don't I just share with you a quick snippet of our members webinar that was this Monday explaining this exact thing. So here's the thing I want to point out here, and how I want to end is this is going down. All signs are to this pointing down, so I hope you're not buying. In just the last 2 months, you guys, now granted there was an exotic pair and we've got some commodities and ticks, but a combined total of 10,000 pips and ticks combined. You don't get that from trying to just squeeze and wring every little pip out. You wait, you know, it's these kind of moves we're looking for. Well, I'm giving you guys another one right now, okay? This could just keep doing this. Now granted, it could end a lot sooner. All we need is a little spike in oil or a downturn in the dollar, and this thing could go quick, just like it did here. When these moves happen, they can happen quick. And if you're not planning and anticipating, like I was mentioning, you're going to miss it. You got to be proactive with these kinds of moves. Again, if you want to be aggressive, you could look to get in on these pullbacks, move your stop to break even. So there you have it, guys. Once you learn price action, it's going to generate a level of clarity and confidence that you've never experienced if you haven't already. If you're here with me right now, then certainly you're hoping to gain something that you just feel quite isn't there yet in your game, right? So if you're overwhelmed with indicators, if you're still stuck trying to figure out what the best combination of indicators at just the right settings or just the right widget or just the right EA or just the right this or that, what I'm telling you, the best piece of advice I could give you is to just shed all of that, get rid of it, expunge it from your view. If anything, it's more of a contributing factor to your frustration than it is to your success. The more you become focused on the price action, the better trader you're going to be. Okay, do you guys think that professional traders have their charts littered with and overwhelmed with indicators? No, they're familiar with the price action and the true nature of how markets work. So I would invite you to stick around. We have plenty of free content that we have out. You can join the free Telegram channel and continue to be a subscribed member to our YouTube channel so that you never miss anything new coming out. The last thing I want to leave you guys with is just a quick shot of, it wasn't just the dollar CAD trade that I got in as well as my members. There were a combination of other trades, 4 in total, that were taking advantage of similar moves, very big substantial sized moves that totaled over 1,800 pips, okay, in just 4 trades. So I don't know how many of you out there have, can even imagine getting that many pips in 4 trades, but I'm here to tell you it's possible. It's not something that's going to happen all the time, but it certainly is possible when you keep an eye out and you understand and can forecast these moves before they happen. So with that being said, I hope you'll stick around. Please join the Telegram channel. We'd love to have you as part of our friendly community and participating with us in some of the success. And until next time, best of luck in your trading.